Hey, it's Drew Bentley here with Learn Guitar with Drew. Today we're going to take a look at a really important practice routine that I pretty much do every single day and have for years and years. We're working with the pentatonic scale in the first position, and we're going to do that with triplets and 16th notes in a continuous pattern to work on your technique and improve your timing. But first, thanks so much for checking out the video. Okay, so we're taking a look at the first position of the pentatonic scale. If you haven't learned that yet, take a look at this video right here. It will show you how that works. It's one finger for each fret. 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 15, 12, 15, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12. So when you're playing a guitar solo with the pentatonic scale, we have to start to develop some technique and some speed and dexterity in order to play solos in general. So what we're going to do is we're going to work with an exercise to do triplets and 16th notes with a pattern. It's a repetitive pattern up and down this scale right now vertically from north to south, and ultimately you can do it horizontally or diagonally as well. And this will work with multiple different scales. You can do this with major scales, harmonic minor scales, the works, whatever you want to do it with. And in fact, I practice with these types of patterns constantly to keep my chops, my technique happening. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start on the 12th fret of the low E string. We're going to kind of go up 3 notes, and we're going to go back 1. So it's up 3, back 1, up 3, back 1. Or you can think of it as 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 in a repetitive pattern. Or you can think of it as starting on the first scale degree and doing 3 notes, starting on the second scale degree and doing 3 notes. We're going to go over all 3 different ways to view this and to look at it. Whichever one works best for you is what you should use. So up 3, back 1. So I'm starting on each scale degree and going up 3 notes and then going back 1. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going back to this note, continuing to climb up. Now you will notice that I'm alternate picking to do this, and with the triplet pattern, it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Unlike the 16th notes, which are going to be continuously down and up. So if we're looking at this as up 3, back 1, I'm going up 3 from the first note, and then I'm going back 1 and going up 3 from that note. And then I'm going to go up 3 from the note before that. Back 1, up 3. Back 1, up 3. Back 1, up 3. Works the other direction as well. I can climb down 3 and go back up 1. Next way to think about it of the 3 is to go from the next scale degree. From that scale degree, from this scale degree, the next scale degree was here. Next scale degree is here. Next scale degree is here. Next scale degree is here. Or you can think of it as assigning a number to each one of these. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. So any of these will work. It's either up 3, back 1, or it's starting on the next scale degree, or it's assigning a number to each one, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. So you should accent the first of each grouping, so it's like this. notice that gives you some pulse if you accent the first of each grouping. If you want to learn about how to do that, there's a lesson right here about what I call the beat pulse, which is keeping a beat while you're playing a solo. And you can check out that video to see how that works. And come back and watch this, or just keep watching this now and catch up that video later. So the way that works then is we're going to go duppity duppity buppity buppity. Come backwards. Now, of course, working with a metronome would be awesome. So if you have the metronome handy or you have the app on your phone, get that out. That will make it even better. You can practice with your metronome and you keep track of your speed and your progress and see if you're getting faster and faster with the metronome. Okay, so up 3, back 1. Starting on the next scale degree. Assigning a number to each one. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Now this is just the first position of the pentatonic scale. You could do this with every position of the pentatonic scale, or any scale for that matter. Another thing to be aware of is your first finger has to be mobile. You don't bar your first finger when you're switching from a lower string to a higher string. I'm not doing this. I'm doing this. You notice my first finger is jumping off the string before it and going to the next string. So mobile fingers are very important. Your finger has to move to the next string. So the next thing to take a look at is doing this with 16th notes, which is up 4, back 2. In the other direction. Okay, so it's either up 4, back 2. Starting on the next scale degree. Next scale degree is here. Next scale degree is here. Next scale degree is here. Or it's assigning a number to each one. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whichever works best for you is great. Now, contrary to the thing about the first finger lifting up with the triplets, we have to be able to roll our finger when we're playing a perfect fourth on the guitar in a vertical sense. So if we're playing this, if we're playing a perfect fourth vertically, we have to do this. It's rolling up and rolling back. Kind of toggles back and forth. So you have to use foresight to know when you're going to be doing this so you can fret the string further up the string. So if I'm here, I'm rolling my finger in, I'm fretting the first note on this part of my finger, and then the next note on that part of my finger from here to here. So I'm rolling it. Over time, you'll develop calluses and your fingertips will get a little bit bigger and thicker and better acclimated for this type of motion of rolling your finger. So this has to happen when you're playing with 16th notes because we're going to be rolling a lot of these notes. There it is. There it is. So we're rolling up and rolling back. So again, the 3 modalities, the 3 different ways you can think about this. The first one, start on the next scale degree. The second one is up 3, back 1, or up 4, back 2, or you can assign a number to each one. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whichever works best for you. I've found students that one works for and the other doesn't. So I kind of present all of these to students, and whichever one is best usually presents itself pretty quickly. So let's go over this one more time, and then you can start to apply this to your regular practice routine every day. Here we're going to go with the triplets first. Let's try the 16th notes. Okay, so that's doing a daily practice routine with triplets and 16th notes in the E minor pentatonic scale in the first position. You can go ahead and apply this to all the scales that you know, major scales, harmonic minor scales, different modes. It could be Lydian dominant, Phrygian dominant, Superlocrian, whatever you want to play with this. It works for all the different scales, and it will help you develop your technique and your speed and dexterity. You can do this with 5-note patterns or 6-note patterns, kind of the sky's the limit. It also helps with what I call the muscle car factor in my world, where you can play a lot of notes and not cover much ground harmonically, which is a really cool sound versus big wide open intervals where you can soar with your guitar. So it's kind of like the yin and the yang when it comes to soloing. So this is a big deal. I practice this every day in multiple ways, and I have for years and years. It becomes second nature, and it will really help with your guitar playing. Okay, so hopefully you got some value from this and enjoyed the lesson. Please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. And in the comment section down below, you'll find links to my websites and other guitar resources. Thanks so much for hanging out.